Now, the organizers have decided to mirror international meets with the schedule of events for the upcoming Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships this year. In our Champs preview this evening, we get the feedback of some coaches and athletes in respect to their assessment of the upcoming changes.
The finals of the 100 meters is one of 17 finals scheduled for Wednesday's second day of the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships this year. It's an unprecedented move by Issa, but it has been welcomed by some coaches.
Yeah, man, most definitely. The fact that you get the athletes to concentrate on the 100 meters before the 200 will be a welcome change. And remember, we need to remember that World Athletics has set the tone already. They are the parent body and they are the ones who guide this, and that is what they've been doing for quite a while. So it will be better, and also it will add more spectators to the stands each day.
It's been a while since we want this as coaches, you know. That's the way how World Athletics going. So I think it's the best interest of the athletes. Get one event out the way and then come back fresh for the other event.
But there is one dissenting voice. Calabar High quarter miler Shadane Smith is not in favor of the change.
No, I'm not pleased with it because their spirit are really short right now. And most of the athletes, I'm pretty sure that they are not really ready for this.
But ISA President Keith Wellington says now that several finals are spread across the championships, the excitement will reach fever pitch from as early as day 2.
If you're unavailable for the weekend and you want to participate in champs, you can come out Wednesday evening and watch the 100-meter finals. You're going to have a world champion who is not certain that she's going to win her event, and she could probably run her best race ever and still lose that. You're going to have on the male side, I think, a very, very big Class 1 race. So I think that I think the stadium should be full Wednesday, to be honest.
The Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships runs from April 5 to 9 with live and exclusive coverage on TVJ Sports Network, and One Spot Media, with continuous radio coverage on Hits 92 FM and Power 106 FM. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.